The US dollar weakened a little bit ahead of Friday's jobs data with the euro and the pound buying a little bit more of it. Earlier today, the euro rose to a one-week high against the dollar, and the pound also. Now both these currencies are considered to be riskier assets, and they tend to move in the same direction. They usually don't like the safety of the dollar, so when they go up, it means that the dollar is going down. It's just how it works. And in the last 24 hours, we've seen the dollar index drop by almost 1%. It's hovering around 96.8 right now, which is the lowest level in over a week. Now this is happening because the market is getting ready for Friday SEOG's data, and it is expected to show that the US economy added 200,000 jobs in November. And if that happens, it would be a clear sign that the Federal Reserve will continue raising interest rates, and that would make the dollar more attractive and stronger. But if the jobs report shows a slowdown or a big miss, then the Fed might not raise interest rates in December, and the dollar will probably weaken. That's why you're seeing these currency pairs move right now. The market is trying to position itself for all possible outcomes. Now, earlier this week, we saw the dollar strengthen after the release of the FOMC meeting minutes. But that doesn't mean that the dollar will keep rising. The job market is a much bigger event, and it usually moves the markets much more than the FOMC meeting minutes. Now let's look at some of the other currency pairs. We have a UD/USD. It's moving sideways. Same thing with NZD. The Canadian dollar is a commodity currency. It's very much tied to oil prices, and oil prices are rising today. So that's keeping the loonie busy. Now gold is rising above $1,800 an ounce. Silver is also moving higher. In the last 24 hours, we've seen the gold rise by almost 1% and silver by almost 2%. Oil is also rising. It's above $77 a barrel. Now oil has been moving sideways for the last couple of days. It's consolidating, but it's holding up pretty well, above the $76 a barrel level. Bitcoin is coming back down. It's below the 17,000 level. It's been rejected again. Same thing with it's below the 1,300 level. Crypto is not doing well today. So that's where we are at right now. The dollar is weakening ahead of the jobs data. The market is positioning itself for a potential sell-off if the jobs data is worse than expected. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.